Okay, so today during phonics, we're going to start with some word building. I'm going to make some words that you can decode or tap out. So I'm going to pull down the letter tiles, and I'm going to make some words that you can decode or tap out. And today I'm going to make that my words include one of our digraphs. Okay, so my first word, I'm going to make it start with P. I'm going to bring down the E, and then I'm going to use a digraph. Here we go. I'm going to use CK. Okay, tappers up. P-eck. Peck. Is peck a real word or a nonsense word? That's right, peck is a real word. Like a chick can peck with his beak, or you can give your mom a peck on the cheek. Let's put back our tiles, and I'll choose another word. Okay, so I'm going to choose the L. Now I want to put a digraph at the end. Ooh, I'm going to do this one. Okay, tappers up. L-ash. Lash. Is lash a real word or a nonsense word? That's right, lash is a nonsense word. I've never heard of a lash. But we could tap it out because we knew all the sounds, so it didn't even matter. Okay, now I think I want to start my word with a digraph. So I'm going to choose CH. I'm going to take the E again, and then I'm going to take this letter. Sometimes we get this letter confused with another letter. Okay, tappers up. Ch-ed. Ched. Is ched a real word or a nonsense word? That's right, ched is a nonsense word. I've never heard of a ched, but we knew how to sound out the word because we knew all the sounds. Okay, let's do one more. I want to use a digraph that I haven't used yet. So I'm going to use this one, TH. Okay, tappers up. P-ath. Path. Is path a real word or a nonsense word? That's right, path is a real word, like I walked down the path. Okay, so now we're going to practice writing some words. Miss Frem is going to write a word, and then we're going to tap it out together. But first, let's review the different lines that we use to write. So this top line is called the skyline. The next line is plain line. Then we have the grass line and the worm line. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to get my pen, and I think I'm going to use purple today. And I'm going to write a word. Make sure I'm using the right lines. Let's see. This is actually a sight word. It's a sight word, but it has a digraph at the end of it. So let's put our tappers up and see if we could tap it out. With. Is with a real word or a nonsense word? That's right. With is a real word. We use it all the time. So let me get my eraser. We'll do another one. Now I think this word, I am going to use two digraphs. I'm going to be tricky. I'm going to use green. Okay. I'm going to use a digraph at the beginning, and I'm going to use a digraph at the end. Make it a little more difficult, but we should still be able to tap it out. Okay, tappers up. Ch-eck. Check. Is check a real word or a nonsense word? That's right, check is a real word. Like you can check over your homework, or you can get a check for your birthday. Okay, so now it says, let's read. Can you spot the digraphs? What sight words do you see? So let's try to spot the digraphs. Let's read together. That is a big fish. I see a few digraphs in this sentence. Let's see if I can find them. Here's one. And Here's one. Awesome job. So we're going to circle the digraphs, and then we're going to underline the sight words that we see. Maybe I'll use a different color to underline the sight words. How about red? Because you know I like red and green. Okay, so that is a big fish. What sight words do we see? I see a sight word here and a sight word here. This is also a sight word, actually. That is a big fish. Let's go back to our digraph color and let's read the next sentence. Can you make a wish? My birthday was the other day, and I made a wish when I blew out the candles on my cake. Let me see if I can find any digraphs in this sentence. Oh, there we go. There's the digraph. Let's see if we can find some sight words. Here's some sight words. Can you make a wish? Now, make is one of our magic E words. We were talking about those in the last unit. Okay, so let's check the last sentence. We'll go back to our digraph color. Okay, together let's read. The dog can take a bath. Let's try to find the digraphs. Here's one. Now let's see if we can find our sight words. This is probably the first sight word we learned. The dog. Dog is a tappable word. I don't think that's a sight word. Can. Here's our magic E word again. Oh, here's another sight word. Okay, let's repeat the sentence. The dog can take a bath. Great job. Okay, so the last thing we're going to do today is we're going to review all the sight words that we've learned so far in phonics. So repeat after Miss Frem. The, a, and, are, to, is, his, as, has, was, we, she, and he. Great job. Tomorrow we're going to introduce 2 new sight words to our list. If you have any questions about your assignments today, please feel free to reach out.